Hey guys, it's Ben and Ahmed here from Lera Smart Home Solutions. So what are we doing today?
We will be demonstrating to you guys our new wireless chargers from our friends at Legrand. They're a great little product. You want to tell us about these?
So what's a wireless charger? I guess these days phones now are coming with wireless charging. Whether it's Apple or Samsung, more and more phones are coming out with this feature. So this little device can actually be put where?
Anywhere where you normally charge your phone, but the beauty of it, don't worry about cables. So your office table, your study nook, your kitchen bench, your bedside table, anywhere where we normally would leave our phones to charge, you just literally cut a hole that small, put it in there, and it's simple as that.
So yeah, there's I guess we're kind of decluttering our
correct.
desk or our...
Don't need to worry about different types of USB cables, what kind of phone it is. As long as the phone is capable of wireless charging, just throw it on there and it will charge. Simple as that, guys.
Cool. So yeah, that's the Legrand Wireless charger. Check us out on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, check out our YouTube channels.
Yeah, cool. If there's anything that you guys want us to demonstrate or play with, just comment down below, let us know what it is. We'd love an excuse to play with toys, and we'll let you guys know what we think about it.
And remember guys, embrace your inner control freak.
See you guys.